Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about the MCQs which are based on the entire syllabus for 12th standard commerce as well as science students. So there are few chapters which are very much common in the IT subject in both the streams, that is commerce and science. So we are going to deal today with it. So here in this video we are going to discuss with the questions and MCQs and the correct answers for it. So let us start with the first question. ERP stands for? So the answer is Enterprise Resource Planning. So the full form of ERP is nothing but Enterprise Resource Planning. Next question is Dash helps managers to improve their future performance of the organization. So if you want to enhance your future performance, we always make a plan, we always do a planning so that we get a good yield out of it. If we want to give an examination, we start studying accordingly so that we should get good marks, better marks. So planning is very much necessary for future performance. So right answer is planning. Next, Dash is a group of people and other resources working together for a common goal. So this is a perfect definition for enterprise. So enterprise is the right answer. Next question. Information about the entire enterprise can be stored in a Dash database. So whenever you want to store any information in an ERP, then the information is always stored in a centralized form. Okay, so centralized is the right answer. Next question. Dash module is the core of many ERP software packages. So you have various types of module. So in this question you have options like finance, marketing, production and purchase. But finance module is the core of the ERP software package. Next, Dash is the process of managing the entire life cycle of the product. So whenever you want to manage the entire life cycle, you do it by product life cycle management. So that is PLM. Okay, next question. Dash was originally known for its database system rather than its ERP system. So we have options like Oracle, SAS, IBM, Adobe. Now Oracle is a perfect database system. It has full focus on database. Okay, so Oracle is the right answer. Next question. File extension of base is? So now we have come across the LibreOffice. So the file extension for LibreOffice base file is .odb. Next question. Rows in the base are called as dash. So basically the second name for rows is records. We also call it tuples in the case of database, whereas the columns are called as fields. Next question. A dash is a question skewed with the database environment. So the options are table, report, query, database. So the right answer is query. So query is always a type of question which we ask to the database, and then you can get the answers by executing the queries. Next question. The dash data type displays date as well as time. So we all know that time is used only for time, date is used only for date. But if you want both together, then we are going to use timestamp data type. Next question. The representation of information in an organized format is known as dash. So whenever you make a presentation in a well organized format, then it is called as report. Next question. Dash defines how the logical structure of database is modeled. So you have the options like data model, query model, my model, report model. First of all, you don't have my model, report model. The right answer is only data model. Next question. The most commonly used data model is dash. So out of all these models, relational data model is most probably used. Next question. RDBMS is specially designed for dash database. So you have options like relational, logical, artificial, natural. So the right answer is relational database. Next question. The dash data type stores fixed sized variables. So you have options like char, varchar, binary, decimal. So whenever the question is specifying fixed, then the answer should be char, and if it is specifying variable size, then your answer should be varchar. Next question, dash is a relational database management system. So you have options like Excel, Base, Word and Tally. So RDBMS works in the case of Base. So Base is the right answer. Next question, dash is the basic unit of storage of database in a data in a database. So the right answer out of all these options like query, table, form and report is table, because we start initially with a table, hence it is called as basic storage unit. Next question, dash converts plain text into a ciphertext. So we have already studied there are some security procedures. So encryption and decryption are the two techniques. Okay, in the case of encryption, we encrypt the data, and in the case of decryption, we decrypt the data. Okay, so it is totally based on encryption technique. Next question, PKI stands for. So basically PKI is nothing but public key infrastructure. Next question, EDI stands for. So the full form of EDI is electronic data interchange. Next question, State Bank Buddy Paytm wallets are the examples of dash. So we have the options like ebook, e-wallet, e-pocket, e-draw. So right answer is e-wallet. Next question, mobile banking, bill payment, ticket booking are the examples of dash. So the options are m-commerce, social media commerce, trade cycle and EDI. So whatever transfer purchasing या फिर transfer of money which we do with the help of mobile phone, it is called as m-commerce, that is mobile commerce. Next question, business entities conducting business electronically are called as dash. So options are global partners, local partners, visiting partners, trading partners. So any type of business which we do electronically is called as trading partners business. Next question, e-wallet is a type of dash account in which user can store money for any future online transactions. So the options are prepaid, cash paid, bank paid, check paid. So remember one thing, e-wallet is always a prepaid account. Next question, in dash model, business sells its product directly to a customer. So you have the model like C2B, that is customer to business, B2C, business to customer, B2B and C2C. So here it is directly to the customer, then it is B2C. Like shopping on Myntra, yeah, all those things are B2C. Next is online auctions is an example of dash module. So you have the options again. So basically online auctions are what? It is directly customer to customer. One customer sells his product directly to the another customer. Next question, the dash phase of trade cycle consists of warranty and after sales services. So the options are pre-sale, after sale, execution and settlement. So these are all the phases of trade cycle. The right answer is after sales. Next question, digital signature is also called as electronic signature. So state whether it is true or false. So yes, it is also called as electronic signature, which is done on an electronic medium. Next question, traditional commerce is limited to a particular geographical location. State whether true or false. So this is absolutely true, because we can see whenever we visit to a shop, we have so many limitations. Okay, it is basically limited to that specific area. If you take online shopping, then you can shop any product which is an international product or from the abroad. So this is totally true that traditional commerce is really limited to that specific local location. So this is all about the MCQs. The remaining part will be discussed in the next video. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel.